Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss universal solutions to fix Twitter when it's not working. If you're experiencing issues with your Twitter account, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check Twitter's status. Before diving into complex solutions, start by checking Twitter's status. Sometimes the issue may stem from Twitter itself. To do this, visit websites like Downdetector or Twitter's official support page to see if there are any known outages. Step 2. Restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve numerous software issues. Reboot your phone, tablet, or computer to clear temporary glitches that may be causing Twitter to not function properly. Step 3. Update the Twitter app. If you are using the Twitter app, ensure it is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, search for Twitter, and look for an update. Install it if available. Step 4. Clear cache and data, mobile. If the app is still malfunctioning, you might need to clear the cache and data. For Android, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Find Apps or Application Manager. 3. Scroll down and tap on Twitter. 4. Tap on Storage, then clear cache and clear data. For iOS, unfortunately, iOS doesn't allow users to clear app cache directly. Instead, you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Step 5. Check your internet connection. A weak or intermittent internet connection can cause issues with Twitter. For mobile, ensure you have data or a strong Wi-Fi connection. For desktop, try restarting your router or connecting to a different network to see if the problem persists. Step 6. Disable VPN or proxy settings. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it could be interfering with your connection to Twitter. Disable these services temporarily to check if it resolves the issue. Step 7. Browser issues. Desktop. If you are using Twitter on a web browser, try these steps. 1. Clear the browser cache. 2. Disable browser extensions that may interfere with Twitter. 3. Try a different web browser to see if the problem persists. Chakri. Step 8. Reinstall the Twitter app. If all else fails, uninstall the Twitter app completely and then reinstall it. This can often resolve any underlying issues with the application. Step 9. Contact Twitter support. If you're still having problems after trying all these steps, your best bet may be to contact Twitter support. They can provide more specific assistance related to your account or technical issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you get back on Twitter smoothly.